Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if you can use Remitly without a bank account. The short answer is yes. You can use Remitly even if you or your recipient do not have a traditional bank account. When it comes to sending money, you do not strictly need a bank account to fund your transfer. While you can link a bank account if you want to, Remitly also accepts debit cards, credit cards, prepaid cards, and mobile payment options like Apple Pay or Google Pay depending on the country you are sending from. This means you can easily pay for your transfer using alternative payment methods without ever logging into online banking. On the receiving end, the flexibility is just as broad. Your recipient does not need a bank account to get the money you send. Instead of a bank deposit, you can choose a cash pickup delivery method. Remitly partners with thousands of retail locations, supermarkets, and financial service providers worldwide where your recipient can walk in with a valid government-issued ID and the transaction reference number to collect cash in person. Another great alternative for unbanked recipients is mobile money or digital wallets. If your recipient has a smartphone and a supported mobile wallet app, you can transfer funds directly to their digital wallet. They can use those funds to pay bills, buy goods online, or cash them out at designated local agents without needing a traditional bank ledger. Using Remitly without traditional banking is designed to be straightforward, secure, and accessible. You just download the app, set up your profile with your email and identification details, select your preferred payment and delivery methods, and track your transfer in real time using your unique reference number. It bypasses the traditional barriers of banking, making international and domestic financial support available to everyone. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.